Welcome back, everybody. I am going to show you today how to start your circle abstraction project. So everyone is getting a 6x6 piece of Bristol board like this. And the first thing you're going to do is find the center. So for this, you need a regular pencil, compass, and ruler. To find the center of your piece of paper, you're going to take your ruler and line it up so that it touches both of the corners, and very lightly going to draw an X across both corners. I'm gonna do this one again. I did it too light for you to see. There we go. So now I have an X, and I can see that this is the middle of my paper. I'm going to take my compass, place the little metal brad dot right there in the middle of the paper, and I'm going to pick one of the dots closest to the edge, not closest to the corner, closest to the edge of the paper. I'm going to spin my pencil around, and that should give me a circle. Oh no, I lost it. Come back. There. It is 6 inches in diameter, like so. Now, everyone also got a window, like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to look online or in a magazine or a book or something, and you're going to find part of an image that you would like to draw and blow up. Now the goal of this is to abstract the form. So whatever you're drawing should not instantly be recognizable as whatever it is. So here is part of a hibiscus flower. I have a little bit of the stamen and some of the petals here. So when I'm done, it should look mostly like color and shape. It shouldn't look like a flower. So if you're doing a flower, you're not doing the whole flower, you're zooming in on just a small little section of it. So you can use this window, you can tape it onto your computer if you're working from a computer, or you can tape it onto whatever it is you're drawing. So as you can see here, I left the X, and I also drew a crosshair along my image here. You can do it corner to corner, or you can do it up and down. It doesn't really matter. You can even add more lines if you want to. So I can draw straight across this way. And that'll give me 6 sections instead of, or 8 sections instead of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if your image is a little more complicated and you would like to have more quadrants to help you draw the contour lines, that's perfectly okay. So you see how I have quadrants that match. Now I can start drawing my contour lines in. There's no measuring. This should be a simple enough image that you can look at it and easily transfer your lines. So when I look at the center here, I can see that this lighter peach petal, ooh, that was exciting. There, that's a little better. The lighter peach petal comes right up to here, almost touches this, and it goes all the way over and it starts to bend down here. Reaches out, comes down this way, and I can see that it connects about there. Here it has a curve up, a curve down. And then I look and see it connects down to here. This petal meets it there, touches right at that bottom line right there. So I'm just using this to help define the forms that I'm seeing. This part of the orange petal comes above that line. Back up like that. The stamen is right about here. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at the negative space. So I can see that the stamen here is a positive space, right? But I'm looking at this negative space, this triangle right here. So by drawing this little triangle, it shows me where the edge of the stamen is supposed to be. Comes all the way up this way, and then you start to see the little, nope, that's not big enough. Because I can see here that this line right there, the stamen comes all the way to that. So I know I need to move this over a little bit more than what I had it. So there's that negative space there. That's better. Now I'm going to draw these lines. Oh, this one comes out a little closer. Like this. There we go. Another one here. Another one there. And alrighty. This petal crosses this line. Like a little bit like that. And then there's another line where this petal meets that one, tucks up there. There's a line there, line there. These have some like weird lines going that way, line that way. That looks pretty good. So you can see I have just freehanded where most of these lines are. Now I can erase out my crosshair. And that's enough to get me started with coloring. All right, I'm gonna pause it and then fast forward so you can see the coloring process.